Once you have a collection of tools, you need someplace to stash them. For some people, that means a toolbox. For others, it's a tool bag. While the choice ultimately comes down to preference, there are quite a few reasons you might prefer a tool bag to a box. Tool bags are lighter, which is a major issue if you carry your toolset with you while working. Plus, they take up less space than a bulky box, another big issue for those with limited storage space. And many DIYers like being able to easily see and grab tools as they need them, which a tool bag makes easy. Number 3, Occidental Leather 9850 Adjust to Fit Fat Lip Tool Bag Set. This well-designed, very comfortable, durable tool bag provides easy access to all different kinds of tools, not just those used for carpentry. It may be more expensive than other options on the market, but it's big enough to hold all of your tools and it will last for years. It's crafted from high-density neoprene and commercial nylon and has a leather fat lip that runs around the bag to keep the structure from sagging. The ample interior has 24 pockets for a wide variety of tools and a 10-inch deep main bag for larger items. The deep pockets allow you to store sharp tools easily, so you can grab them quickly and won't have to worry about snagging the tool on the bag's material or punching a hole through the seams. Number 2, Klein Tools Rolling Tool Bag. If you're constantly moving from one location to another, a tool bag that has wheels might be the best pick for you. While it's not exactly lightweight, it weighs 19 pounds, this tool bag has a reinforced metal frame and can store up to 100 pounds of tools, making it one of the most durable rolling bags on the market. This tool bag has a ton of pockets to keep your tools organized, and the wide mouth cavity allows you to store bulkier items such as power drills and extra tool batteries with ease. Plus, the bright orange interior makes your gadgets super easy to find. No longer will you waste your time searching for tools in a dark bag. Other notable features include a telescoping handle and oversized wheels, which allow this rolling bag to handle rough terrain and rain-slicked surfaces. Number 1, Custom Leathercraft 1539 Multi-Compartment 50 Pocket Tool Bag. For a large, durable tool bag that checks all of the boxes, we love the Custom Leathercraft 1539 Multi-Compartment Carrier. This polyester tool bag can handle all of your tools and it won't stretch out or break. A spacious inner compartment serves up space for power and hand tools that can be awkward or bulky. The large exterior compartments unfold to reveal 50 pockets for bits, handheld screwdrivers, and other tricks of the trade that can get lost in the bottom of a cavernous bag. The zippered side panels give you extra storage space and you won't have to worry that something will fall out. Plus, the padded should strap will help prevent back and should pain, especially if you tend to carry heavy power tools.